This is a genius product. This is an EMS massager. So what it does is that it has this round little device in the middle, and then this patch sticks to your skin, is meant to get the muscle and the nerves around it to move, and maybe if it's sore, or give you a bit of a massage. In the box is a manual, the patch that will stick on your skin, the power. This, once it's on, you can select the different modes. It will then send small electro waves through this patch, and yeah, we'll see some movement. Pluck this on my hand. If you can see, it's doing some movement. It's got 8 different modes, and that's why
Hindi mo nakikita yan?
Pang-massage.
Yut! No! Yut! Yut! Oh yeah! Sarap na ganun tayo! Sarap na! Bilir na yung balik ko yun! Ay, hindi ko ito,